Don't have a greenhouse? Did you know that you can start your own salad in a glove, just like this one? Hi, my name is Cadence, and today I'm going to show you how to start your own salad in a glove. Here are the supplies you'll need. You'll need a clear glove. It has to be clear so you know when your plants are ready. You'll need some paper towels, a bowl of water. You're going to need 5 cotton balls, a rubber band, and 5 seeds of your choice. Let's get started. First thing you do is you take your bowl of water and you soak the cotton balls. I already pre-made some of them. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your clear glove and you're going to roll up the finger of your choice. I'm just starting with the thumb. Roll it up till it's near the top. Let a little bit of water out of the cotton ball so it's not dripping wet, and put it inside of the thumb. Next, take 5 or 6 seeds, I'm using lettuce seeds, and wipe them on top of the cotton ball, and then push it all down. Repeat with the rest of the fingers. Here's my salad in a glove. It doesn't look like much yet, but it'll grow to be looking like this. Next thing you're gonna do is you wanna pinch the top of your glove, kind of like a balloon, so that you can blow air into it and it'll puff up like a balloon. Pinch it so that the air doesn't escape, and twist it. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your rubber band and twist it around the top. Next, you're going to want to hang your salad in a glove in a window.
So, what will happen inside of our glove? The water in the cotton ball, along with the warmth and sun coming into the window, will soften up the outside layer of the seed, also known as the seed coat. Inside the seed, there's a baby plant, or embryo, that is drawn to the sun. That's why we use a clear glove, and it will start to push its way out of the softened seed. The emerging plant can live and grow in the glove for up to a couple weeks without soil because the seed contains its own food source, called the cotyledon, that will provide short-term nourishment for the small plant.
Here I have a 2-week-old salad in a glove. As you can see, the plants have grown quite a bit. In the thumb, I have lettuce. In the pointer, I have carrot. The middle, I have onions. The ring finger, I have radishes. And in the pinky, I have tomatoes. So now I'm going to cut the top off. And I'm going to plant one of these inside of this soil. I think I'm going to plant the carrots. So I'm going to be planting mine in this cup, but if you have warm enough weather where you are and it's supposed to stay warm, then you can just plant it outside. But since I still have frost some nights, I'm going to plant it in this cup. Also, if you notice, some of them, well, you probably can't see it right now, but some of them have their roots woven around the cotton ball. And it's okay to plant the cotton ball if the roots are woven around. So I'm going to gently take out the carrot plant as you can see, this is the carrot plant. Looks like a little radish got into it, but that's okay. And some of the seeds didn't grow, but that's also okay, because we do have some seeds that did grow. I'm gonna dig a hole with my finger about this deep. I'm gonna put my cotton ball in and cover it up. There's still some water left in the cotton ball, so I don't need to water it quite yet. And that's how you do salad in a glove. Thanks for watching.